Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove watermarks in Canva Full 2025 Guide. It's super simple, and yeah, by the end, your designs will look completely clean and professional. All right, first open the Canva design that has the watermark you want to remove. Make sure you're logged into the correct Canva account. Now look at the watermark itself. Most Canva watermarks appear on premium elements like images, icons, or templates. You can spot them by the Canva logo or text overlay. If you're using the free version, the easiest way is to replace the watermarked element with a free alternative. Just search in Canva's library for free photos or graphics, drag it over, and adjust the size. So simple. Another way, of course, is to upgrade to Canva Pro or Enterprise. Once you pay for the element or template, the watermark disappears automatically. Yeah, it's that straightforward, and you can download your design watermark-free. Finally, click the download button at the top right, select your preferred format, and download your design. Your file will now be completely clean without any watermarks. And that's it. That's how you remove watermarks in Canva in 2025. I hope this helped you clean up your designs. If you found this useful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Canva tips and tutorials.